G'day, Clint Paddison here with another tip on reversing rheumatoid arthritis symptoms naturally. Today I want to talk about miso paste. Okay, so miso paste, which often comes in a little tub like this or in bag styles sometimes, is a fermented food. So why do we want to include fermented foods into our diet when we have rheumatoid arthritis? Because studies show that people with RA have a lower level of gut bacteria to normal or undiagnosed people. In addition to that, people with rheumatoid arthritis have an overgrowth of pathogenic bacteria. And so a lot of people, what they will do with rheumatoid is go and buy probiotics. Now these can be expensive and also have somewhat limited effect sometimes when the diet is bad. And a much more effective way to go about getting your good cultures into your diet is to get it through miso paste. So if you get a really good quality miso paste, it's been often fermented for over 12 months. And what does this mean? Well, it means that the proteins inside the original food, which is often soybeans or brown rice, often a hybrid like soybeans and brown rice or something similar, all of the proteins have been broken down to amino acids, which then become harmless for the human body. And so even if you have a leaky gut syndrome, then the whole proteins of the food are not entering your bloodstream where they shouldn't be. Only the safe, appropriate amino acids are entering your bloodstream in the way that they should. In addition to that, the fats get broken down to fatty acids and the whole complex carbohydrates get broken down into simple sugars. And so what's going on with miso paste is that the fermentation process is actually pre-digesting the food for you, making the food very easy to digest. This means that even people who have soy allergies may find that they can tolerate miso paste easily because of all of that fermentation and pre-digestion that's done for you. And so, in the Paddison program, which is the program that I followed to recover from my crippling rheumatoid arthritis and get off all my medications and live a pain-free, drug-free life, calls for miso paste to be reintroduced around about the day 13 mark. So we wait a period of time on a set of simple foods and then we reintroduce the miso paste. Most people find that they can introduce it straightforwardly, and it offers that tremendous health benefit of being able to provide not just a large quantity of healthy gut bacteria, but a tremendous diversity of gut bacteria. And both of these aspects are important in getting cultures into your diet. So miso paste is tremendous. Make sure you get the unpasteurized version because pasteurization kills the enzymes and the bacteria. So you want to make sure it's a non-pasteurized version. All right, so go out today, get yourself some wonderful miso paste and make sure it is non-pasteurized, and you will be doing yourself a wonderful, wonderful thing for your health. And I hope you enjoy the taste too. I love it. I can eat this stuff. Sometimes I even put it on my it's got a wonderful salty flavor and I'm very used to it. I just love it. I even put it sometimes on sandwiches if I want to have it instead of Vegemite, which of course we eat a lot in Australia. But the miso paste tastes just as good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like any more tips from me, just subscribe to our mailing list. I've got a whole training series on reversing rheumatoid arthritis symptoms naturally.